Guys, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about smooth low portion SLP coin. SLP coin are now going positive in the market, and a lot of people are now investing in smooth low portion. You know what, guys? Why a lot of people are investing in smooth low portion? Guys, simply due to the positive changes. You can see here, guys, if we talk about the changes of smooth low portion, so 44.82% positive changes occur in smooth low portion just in last 24 hours. That is just 24 hours changes of SLP coin, guys. So absolutely now that's mean that the price going to increase. That's why, guys, a lot of people are investing in a smooth low portion, guys. Anyways, other side, if we talk about the price of smooth low portion, so you can see 0.08471 USD dollar. That is right now price of smooth low portion. So absolutely the price of SLP coin are so very low. That's why due to low price coin and due to positive changes, that's why a lot of people are investing, guys. And guys, personally, I also recommend for you, if you want to buy, if you want to invest in a SLP coin, so I really recommend for you investment, guys. And something like that, you can see here 172.31% the trading volume increase just in last 24 hours, guys. And 24 hours trading volume is very fastly going increase, guys. And I hope, guys, due to this trading volume, the changes of SLP will be become 100x profit, guys, very soon, guys. Now, guys, it's just time to hold, guys. It's just time to hold. You can see or just enjoy the pump. Oh my god, a quick jump hooker by SLP coin. Just look here, guys. I'm really happy to see these positive changes. A massive jumps by SLP coin, guys. So guys, it's time to pack profit with the SLP coin, guys. If you want to buy now. If you want to sell, so I recommend for you don't sell. If you want to sell, so I recommend that sell to the last of September, guys, because I know that I will continue this pump to the last of September, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.